Okay, so for the clamshells, there are many ways to do this wrong. I'm going to show you how we teach this at Next Level so that you might feel this differently in your hip. So what you want to be careful of is when you're in the side-lying position that you don't allow your hips to sway back and forth, because you're not going to be able to get the most benefit out of this exercise. So if I'm going to show someone how to do this at our clinic, put a band just above the kneecaps over here, okay? I'm going to go into a position where my hips and knees are at a 90-degree angle. So that should look like this, okay? And what I'm going to do, my starting position, I'm going to have my top knee slide forward past the bottom knee. So it looks like, if you can see it from that angle, it looks like that. That's my starting position. Just like so. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to be on my side over here. I'm going to use my hand on top to cue my hip not to turn out this way, otherwise I won't get much benefit. I'm going to keep that stable over here. Again, my top knee is going to be sliding forward in front of the bottom knee. And then as I turn the hip up, I'm going to think of myself as a windshield wiper, not just going up, but I'm going to go up and out towards the back. So here, just like so. Now, if you're doing this correctly, you're going to feel it right over there in the glute. And if you also notice, I'm going to keep only my heels together. So I'm pressing together hard. My feet will separate as my top knee comes up. Now, you notice that the range isn't that much, but this is really, really hard. Like, I'm already feeling this right back over here. Okay. And the key point over there is making sure that you are keeping tension on that band throughout the entire time. That's what's going to allow you to activate those muscles in the back, the hip external rotators, also your glutes, obviously. And this is a great way to start getting your body ready for some of the more challenging exercises later, but also gives you an awareness of how your glutes should feel if you're doing this exercise correctly.